In our previous video, we prepared our contact.html file and connected it to the Email.js service using their software development kit. Now though, we want to edit our email template so that we can pass in parameters and have some content in the email that's provided. To do this, we need to pass in some variables into our form. In the Email.js template, variables are represented with two curly brackets. So in this case, I'm going to do two curly brackets, from_name, and two closing curly brackets. And then for our from email address, again, two curly brackets, and from_email, and two closing curly brackets. Finally, inside the content, I'm going to do two curly braces, and then project_request. And this, as we said, is a placeholder for variable names. We can see that if we then click on the test button. Notice now I have template parameters, and here are the names that I've given them: from_name, from_email, and project_request. As I start typing values in here, for instance, Aaron Sinnott in the from name, and aaron@codeinstitute.net in the email, you can see that our JavaScript code is populating with these values. And then project request, please make me a website. Okay, so if I now click on send test email and go back, we can see now that I have content. It shows us coming from Aaron Sinnott, and it says, please make me a website. So that's the information that we passed in to the parameters that we've created. Okay, let's just close that window and update our project template a little bit more. Because what I'd like is for the from name and the from email address to be visible inside the content area. So I'm just going to add a little bit of text at the end of our content area here. And what we're going to say is that from name, so in my example, Aaron Sinnott, can be contacted at, and then we're going to put in the from email address. So again, remember, these go in between curly braces because that's how we represent the variables in our template. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to say from Aaron Sinnott. The from email address, again, will be aaron@codeinstitute.net. And this time my project request will just be some text that says, I want a website that ... Okay, we'll send a test email. And now when I check my email, we have a new one here. I want a website that, and here's my text. Aaron Sinnott can be contacted at aaron@codeinstitute.net. So that's how we add in parameters into our template. Now that that's done, we can save our template, and then we can head back to our contact HTML page and prepare it to send through the correct parameters to populate our email. We're going to do that in our next couple of videos.